Here's one of those questions you just want to skip, but I promise you it's not even that bad. We got these two functions right here, f of x and g of x. Which of the following is equivalent to this expression? Let's just break this down into pieces and then put it all together. We're going to start with this part right here. You want to work from inside out. Find out what f of a is. So to compute that, the f tells you I got to look at the function of f, and this right here is what you're going to replace x with. That's your input. So wherever you see an x in this expression, you're just replacing it with an a. So that's going to look like square root of a plus 2. Now we can move on to g of f of a. That's a composition of functions. Well, we just computed what f of a equaled, and it equals this expression. So I can rewrite this as g of square root of a plus 2. And once again, we're just combining this information into this one. So to compute what that is, you go to the function of g. Wherever you see an x, you're going to replace it with square root of a plus 2. So you see this x right here? You're just going to exchange that with the input, which is square root of a plus 2. And then just follow the rest of the function that says minus 1 squared. You might as well simplify this. 2 minus 1 is a positive 1. And to simplify it further, we're going to end up squaring square root of a plus 1, which is the same thing as writing that expression twice. You're going to multiply that to itself. Simplify that, square root of a times square root of a is just a positive a. That equals root a. 1 times square root of a is another root a, and 1 times 1 is 1. These two you can combine like terms and you get a plus 2 root a plus 1. And that is what g of f of a will equal. So this whole pink part equals that. Alright, let's move on to this blue part. Negative 2 times f of a. Well, from this right here, we already know what f of a is, so we can rewrite this as negative 2 times, in parentheses, square root of a plus 2. Simplifying that further, you get negative 2 square root of a, and negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and that is what that whole blue part will equal. So to answer this question, combine the pink with the blue. If I were to combine like terms, 2 root a is going to cancel out negative 2 root a, and 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. So that's going to be a minus 3. That is what this is going to equal. Letter choice D. If that helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.